In this video, I'll be doing a quick walkthrough on how to activate analytics and show you some of the metric it provides. Activating analytics requires you to have two things: a subscription to Typedream Launch or Pro, and a custom domain. I've pasted the link to our guide on how to set up custom domain in the description below. You would also need to specify a time zone. Once you have those three things checked off your list, you'd simply go to Site Settings, then Analytics, here towards the bottom. And yes, you'll see the checklist again. When Analytics is up and running, you'll find a dashboard containing the data in the same screen. If you're on the launch plan, you'll have some fundamental data, such as the amount of unique visitors on your site, total page views, bounce rate, and the average time people spend on your site. You can also adjust the time frame here in the top right corner. If you're on the Pro plan, you'll have some additional metrics, things like top referring sources. Here, we see that the site gets a lot of traffic coming in from Google and Twitter. You'll also have top pages, where you get to note which pages are attracting the most visitors. When you toggle to entry or exit pages, you'll get to see visit duration details for visits that started from a particular page or exit rate percentages, respectively. We also have a map for you to better understand your audience's geography. And then finally, you have the device stats that show you if your site visitors are viewing your site from their laptops, phones, and so on. This will give you some insights to help you better optimize your website so that you can give them the best possible browsing experience. That's it. If you want to learn in more detail about the analytics metrics, I've also included a doc in the description. See you next time.